Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will make an update of gold analysis that I shared also some time ago. I have updated this in many points when the price started here, when created a false breakout. We can see from this area it was 49.54, the price increased up to where it was at this point, 52.45. It was also updated later when it was at this point here at 5045. The price broke out from the red area and still we can see the bullish continuation movement from this zone. So what may happen where we are right now? We have to be very careful because the general geopolitical situation is not good at all. Everything is pointing up, so gold is indicating a bullish continuation movement from this point. Given that the geopolitical tension is rising further from all perspectives, we can see that many central banks, hedge funds and the retail traders are joining the trade. So I don't see any hope for the moment for gold to go down. We can see also the creation of this bullish movement, the bullish pattern, sorry. So this is showing an increase in the bullish momentum and the price may rise further. So if the current geopolitical situation will escalate further, the chances are that gold may only continue to rise. This is what I'm looking for at this moment. I don't see that we have hopes for the price to decline. Another problem is that the market is going to wait for the weekend. What is going to happen, and if we are going to have any news related to everything that what is happening so far. So it will be very important what we are going to hear during the weekend. So that is the moment that I think it will be very risky and also interesting. But given that we don't have anything so far, I expect only bad things and I'm not expecting any improvement. So after this breakout, the chances are that it may continue. However, all depends from the market how confident will be on this movement. The first one is going to be the top of this area that corresponds to 52.45. If the price will rise further, I have placed the targets. We have a minor resistance at 5300, 5370, and another important one is at 5400. This is also a target that was placed from Morgan Stanley lately, so they were expecting for the price to reach 5400 during 2026, but I think that the chances are higher that it can be reached easily this time, not for 2026. As I have shared also before my opinion, if the situation escalates further, the price may rise and probably we are looking at for a very big target. So the retest of 5600 that corresponds also to the top of the structure, I think that it will be broken. This is going to be important, but can also be broken as a resistance area. So let's see what is going to happen. However, we have to be careful. We don't have to think about selling gold. Gold is only long from all perspectives. We don't have anything to support the sell on gold right now from a technical perspective and from a fundamental perspective. However, every time we trade, we must use the stop loss and we have to calculate the risk very well, because we can see also like these movements that we have seen on the past that were created only from manipulation. So this is profit taking, but it's not from central banks, because the central banks don't speculate in this way. These are only very large hedge funds and well calculated sell-offs that we can see. So it doesn't happen just because someone wants to take profits. These are not movements created by retail traders in a normal situation. So let's see what is going to happen. We have the bullish movement that already started and it may continue further. So in my opinion, probably we can see the price to reach 6000 soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. I'm going to keep this simple. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.